Alright guys, I'm freaking out because I just started using these press-on nails. I mean, I've been soaking them so they look horrible because I took one off and look at this. I have never had a discolored nail and I'm freaking out. And everywhere I saw online it says, oh, just wait and let it grow out. Nope, I can't do it. So I'm gonna see if I can't concoct something to get rid of this because that's freaking me out. I'm gonna use baking soda. Use some lemon juice. I'm gonna use water and try to make a paste. And I'll see if it works. But again, this is my nail. I'm so hurt by it. Oh my god, baking soda is like cheap. I'm just using this because I know it's acidic and it has to like kill germs. Ooh, it's bubbling. So I just want to show I'm going to put it on the nail. Let's see, I need something heavy. What do I have? Okay. I don't care. I'll try anything. I've already put my hands in bleach. I don't care because I'm not having a fungus. I refuse it. My nails are long naturally. See? Oh, I'm so freaked out by this. Alright, so I got it nice and coated. So I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. I even stuck it under the nail because I'd rather overdo something than underdo it. So I don't care. I'm gonna see and I'll document it. I'm gonna leave it on for like 10-15 minutes. I even added some more. Okay, I got my fingernail covered. Put vinegar and water and soaked my hands in that and then added the baking soda. As you can tell, I got coconut oil on. I went in and took all the artificial nails off, so except for those two I can't get off. So this is after putting the oil and letting it sit. Yeah, most of it's gone. Thank God. I'm not gonna lie, I tried all kinds of things. After doing research, I found out that you have to put the glue on the entire nail. I thought if you put it on just a little bit, it would, you know, space out when you put the nail so it doesn't get on the skin. But no, they say to cover the entire nail so there's no bubbles, no air gaps. I hate that it's discolored, but that's okay. I know what not to do now and I know what to do. So I will be careful. I woke up. The nails look a lot better. I soaked them again, and then I also put them in some bleach and peroxide, and then I brushed them with whitening toothpaste. They do look better. They're just not awesome.